In this video, I'm going to analyze and tell you why many turkey farmers fail to meet up with the market demand and body weight of their turkey. 1. The feed requirement of turkey is higher than that of chicken. But many turkey farmers make mistakes of using chicken feed to start and finish their turkey. It is a very wrong practice. Turkey requires higher protein, higher calcium, higher metabolizable energy, and other minerals and vitamins are higher in turkey production because of their body structure. But many farmers, because of lack of turkey feed in the market, use chicken feed to give turkey. That is why they hardly get the required weight. Turkeys need a high protein diet when they are young, as they grow and gain muscle quickly. To support this growth, feed young turkey with 30% crude protein. Turkey starter feed should be up to 30% crude protein from day old up to 8 weeks old. This is the only way you can achieve a good result at last. Now listen carefully. You can hardly do well as a turkey farmer if you don't produce their feed, or if you don't buy the main feed that is meant for turkey. 1. Turkey starter needs 28% crude protein between day 1 to 14 days, 26% crude protein between 15 days to 28 days, 24% crude protein between 29 days to 49 days, 22% protein during the growing side between 50 to 60 days, 20% crude protein between 61 to 75 days, 18% crude protein between 76 to 90 days, 16% crude protein between 90 to 120 days. Now you can see that we have almost 7 series of feed and feed requirements. There is no feed in the market that has these varieties of feed for you to feed your turkey. That means if you don't produce their feed, you hardly make or hardly achieve your target. At the end of 120 days, your turkey hens, having fed them with all these requirements, should give you 14 kg average, while the toms, that is the male ones, should give you up to 18 kg average. If you don't get this, it means you are already failing. If by now you have not liked this video, click like, make your comment on the comment section, and share this video to enable other farmers get this right information. Because many farmers around you, your friends, your relatives, and other people in your groups need this particular professional information to move forward in their turkey business farming. Share this video right now. This video you are seeing here, you are watching here, was sent to me by a follower. She feels that she's making serious mistakes. If you can see the video, you notice a lot of mistakes. And this is what I'm going to analyze now. Correct the mistakes and give her, proffer a very suitable professional solution that will make these turkeys revive within 2 weeks, and she will still make it. So listen carefully and watch this video till the end. Don't skip any portion of this video. And if you have other poultry birds that are passing through the same issues here, this video will interest you and it will be of help to you. So don't skip any portion. Share this video right now. Now let me give general suggestions first before I specifically concentrate on the video itself. Nutrition is number 1. That is what I've earlier said. That turkey needs higher protein, higher value of protein, more than chicken. But you are using chicken feed to feed turkey. It it will not give them the required startup protein content or protein requirement of their body. So evaluate their current diet and ensure it meets their nutritional needs. Adjust the feed if necessary and make sure it is fresh and free from contaminants. Consider making your own feed, a very good balanced ration to augment what they have already lost for the past few months. 2. Ensure a clean and constant water supply. Dehydration can significantly impact their body weight. Watching your video right now, there are some cans of water and you can see how dirty this water are. You can see that this water we are seeing here are all dirty. This water should be lifted up to their shoulder level. Make sure you put a heavy neat stone inside these particular drinking bowls, because turkey have high weight, they have heavy weight, and once they match on top of this water will pour, and once this water pour, this is the reason why this particular turkey is not white. The color of this turkey is supposed to match with the color of my clothes. That's why I use this particular white to make this video. So the color of this here turkey is supposed to match with the color of this my clothes. But you can see how fitty the colors is. That means it is automatically dirty environment. Pack the whole floor, clean the whole floor, wash everywhere, and make sure you use wood shavings to fill the floor. Let them have a very good and neat beddings, fresh beddings. Check the temperature and ventilation in their living space. Turkey can be sensitive to temperature extremes. Ensure proper beddings and cleanliness to prevent diseases. This turkey, if it is not properly cleaned, if this particular floor is not properly cleaned, in the next 1 week, you will notice infectious coryza on this turkey. The filthiness of the floor is what caused this spraddle leg on some of them. You can see that some of them cannot walk well. This is what we call spraddle leg. And the cause of the spraddle leg is dirty and filthy floor. The next one is health check. Inspect your turkeys for signs of illness, parasites, or any other health issues. If you notice anything unusual, consult your veterinarian promptly or consultant. Consider providing vitamins and mineral supplements, as I have seen that there is deficiency in the turkey already. Minimize stress factors, as stress can hinder growth. Avoid sudden changes in the environment or disturbances. You can also see that since the floor is on it or is not neat at all, they have already environmental disturbances which prevent them from moving around, which prevent them from exercising themselves. Because if they don't move very well, if they don't exercise very well, they will hardly digest and convert the feed, and they will even hardly eat well. And if they don't eat well, there is no way they can maintain or keep to their body weight. Isolate all those sick ones, all those ones that have spraddle leg, that are dull. Remove them entirely from other ones. Keep them separately. If any turkey are visibly unwell, isolate them from the healthy ones to prevent the spread of the disease or the infection. Finally, I will advise you, make yourself available for thorough training. You can hardly do well in any profession, in any field, without well-grounded in knowledge and wisdom to run that particular business. Remember that the specific needs of turkeys can vary based on their age, breed, and environmental conditions. Prompt actions and professional advice are essential for addressing health issues in your flock. It is crucial to act quickly, as 2 weeks may not be enough time to significantly improve the weight or the well-being of this turkey for you to meet the market demand. But you can take steps to optimize their conditions for better growth. Now, listen to this professional advice I'm going to give you and make sure you implement them 100%. Pack all the turkey out of that particular pen now. Wash that particular pen and disinfect it. Go and look for a very good beddings, sawdust or wood shavings, or either you use rice bran or wheat offer. Any of them can still serve, depending on the one that is very important or one that is easier for you to get. Then feed the pen up to 0.3 cm. Make sure they have a very good beddings. Bring the turkey back. Remove the infected ones, those ones that cannot walk well, those ones that are dull in nature. That is a sign of infection. Remove them entirely. Keep them in a different pen. Then get bitter leaf and scent leaf extract. Wash it thoroughly well. Extract the juice and use the juice on them for complete 5 to 7 days. All their water should be the juice of that extract for 7 days. You can watch this one. You can see these ones now. See that they are very dull. These ones are completely infected. It's a sign of infection. These extract will detoxify them and clear every intestinal tract infections they have. Now, feed them very well. Go and get additives and slaughter waste, fish meal, mix it with the feed you are using. Go back with starter feed first. Use starter feed on them for complete 1 week before you continue with other feed.